For the state of stress shown, determine the maximum shearing stress when sigma y is equal to 20 megapascal and sigma y is equal to 40 megapascal. Consider both in-plane and out-of-plane shearing stress. Okay, well, for the first case, for part A, our x is going to be 140 and 80. Our y is going to be 20 minus 80. So we're going to write 140, this is tau, sigma 140, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 80. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 20. So that's my y at 20 minus 80. And my x is going to be right here at 140 comma 80. That's my x right here. So we put these things together right here, and we now create a nice big circle. That's too big. I'll fix it. So we'll make it like this, bring it over here, make it just, oh, right there. So now what are we going to do? Find the center. 160 divided by 2, 80, 0. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right on. 80, 0. So now we know what? Well, we know this is 80. And I know, well, this is not useful. Well, it is, because I can do 80 here, and then 20, and then to get to 80, that's another 60. So I know this. And they want to find the maximum shearing stress. And since they're on the sigma max and sigma min are on different sides of the tau axis, then I know that my radius is going to be the max, apps max, and it's going to be the square root of 80 squared plus 60 squared, which is going to be what? Square root of 80 squared 60 squared. Oh, it's 100. 100. And the units are megapascals. So that's part A. For part B, we have x and y. Our x doesn't change. Our y changes a little bit. It's 140, comma, minus 80. So we got 140 and 140 again. So 140, 80, 140 minus 80. So my y is 140 minus 80. Minus 80. My x is 140, 80. So now we put these together. We realize, oh my gosh, we don't need all of this. But we need more of this. So now we create our circle. And there it is. And now we realize, hey, actually, if we consider out of plane, there's going to be another circle right here. And then there's going to be a big one. Right here. And the big one is going to go from sigma 0, which is on the z-axis. And so what are we going to get? Well, let me see. The radius is going to be 80. And the center is going to be 140. So we can say that sigma max is going to be 140 plus 80, which is 220. And so tau max, tau absolute max is going to be 110 megapascals. And that's because half of this distance is the radius for the big circle, tau absolute max, right there. Let me just double check that I did it correctly. Okay, and this is it. I hope this was useful, and I wish you good luck on this section for tests.